Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through a quick and an easy step on how to remove green screen on Filmora using your desktop. So let's go ahead and dive into the video since the process is quite easy. First of all, go ahead and launch open your Filmora application. Now, click on the plus icon and import your video you want to remove the green screen effect from. Make sure to import both your background and green screen footage into Filmora. Here I've selected two different video clips. Drag the clips onto your timeline. Make sure to drag both of the video clips and make sure to place the green screen video footage on top of the background. After you are done with it, you will be able to see your green screen video overlapping your background video clip. Make sure that both green screen video clip and the background video clip aligns with each other on the timeline. After you are done, double click on the green screen video clip and get to Video tab at the top left. Now check the Chroma key text box and you will be able to enable Chroma key. You can use the eyedropper tool to select the green color in your video. This will make the background transparent. You can also fine-tune the settings such as offset and tolerance to get the best result. Finally, after you are done, click on OK and preview your video by clicking on the play button. Don't forget to resize your green screen video. You can make it appear smaller or bigger according to your preference. After you position the green screen video clip and preview your video, you will be able to see that you have successfully removed green screen on Filmora. You can now export your video according to your need. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.